skills. So for the skill development, it is very important to have these software skills. And what the CAD desk is doing right now is providing these essential um, tools in order to survive in the industry, to get the good growth, and to get the incentives, other things also. Because when you are skilled with the softwares, you will get good incentives. You will get more performance. So because of these your softwares, the people who are working there, um, who have these skills, they can grow in their required or particular field. What we do, basically we try to give all the CAD, CAM, and CAE programs. So we have online trainings, we have classrooms, we have self-paced learning, and we give the internship as well. So classrooms, we provide 100% classroom training program. We have qualified instructor, as well as we have online, offline. As the people required, we try to give them the details about the skill that required the industry, and they are supposed to give the full, basically you can say the full mm, their 100% in order to achieve the goal. That is the placement goal. Online teaching, we have internship, we have the software in the civil architectural. So these different software like AutoCAD from the Autodesk, Revit, that is very essential these days in every industry, 3ds Max, Bentley's Start Pro, ETAB, SketchUp. For the project management, we do the this Primavera. V-Ray is the another software which is used in the architectural and interior designing. Tekla is for the structure. So these Lumion, Photoshop, Excel, land surveying, these all softwares we currently give the training. In the mechanical part and electrical part, we covered Autodesk, AutoCAD, SolidWorks, CATIA, Inventor, Creo, Siemens, that is NX, Fusion 360, CNC programming, Hypermesh, ANSYS CFD, ANSYS Workbench, 3D printing, GD&T, and project management again for the Primavera. In electrical part, what we cover was the PLC SCADA, AutoCAD Electrical, and MATLAB. So these are some sort certification after completion of the fee. These courses, we provide these certificate which are internationally valid. So what the student get, they get the ebooks, workshop practices, record lectures, and quiz. After that, when somebody join us with the CAD desk, what we give the lifetime access to the student. That is the LMS, Learning Management System. Also, after that, we provide placement assistance. So we have a dedicated placement cell which provide the required jobs which are necessary in the industry, and we try to give this certification. The quality is ensured. Here you can see on my screen. So basically, those trainers which we are, they are all certified from the SolidWorks, mean Dassault, or from, if you are talking about this, AutoCAD, Autodesk certified. So we have all certified in the trainers. They can give you the right kind of training which is required. So these are the question like why, what, and what, how, where, who. So what is the question? Why CAD Desk is leading brand in CAD CAM CAE? Because we have trained around 2 lakhs plus students so far. About 50 plus universities and colleges had shown their interest in CAD Desk internship program. So we already did with the different colleges. Why we have to, what we have to do, join from 100 industry recognized courses, and from beginners to advanced level master diploma program give you 100% placement assistance. So basically what we do, like whatever the courses are designed at industrial base. So that's why we get all the details and required skills. And if inquire about website and admission, counselor, we have dedicated counseling team that will tell you about how to get the particular course which is good for you, which is not good for you. So these are the same reviews which we have. You can see thousands of restaurants, they give reviews. This is the location in Aligarh, CAD Desk Aligarh, where our head office is in the Jaipur. So this is the introduction which I would like to give about the trainer. Now, I'm not going to take much more time because we already, have limited time. So let me start with the trainer's introduction so that you can check with that. Just let me share you the details. So, am I audible to you guys? Am I audible to
Yeah,
you guys?
you are.
Only.
Yeah, yeah, you are audible.
Okay, thank you. Let me share you the details. Dilip sir, he's our trainee and sorry, trainer. He would be the trainer who's going to cover both the software, that is AutoCAD Civil and AutoCAD Mechanical. He's also MTech, the in industrial engineering, and he is training from last couple of years. Lot of students are trained by him. So let me give the floor to Mr. Dilip Saini. Dilip Saini sir, could you please come and start your session?
Yeah, thank you, sir. So, yeah, good evening. Is it audible to all? Hello.
Yeah,
Hello,
you are
ji sir.
audible. Please start.
Okay. So, before starting the session, can I know how many of you are aware about AutoCAD software? All of you heard about AutoCAD?
Ji sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, please give me the permission to share my screen.
Okay, just give me a second.
Yeah.
Okay, now you can share your screen.
Thank you, sir. Okay, so in CAD we will just provide the training under civil CAD, mechanical CAD, and electrical CAD. And let first I discuss the agenda of today's workshop. Right. First of all, we will discuss the introduction about AutoCAD, what AutoCAD is, and what we cover in our AutoCAD mechanical course. Then we will see some software demonstration. Right. After that, we will see like what we cover in AutoCAD civil architecture and same software demonstration related to civil drawings. And then AutoCAD applications where the AutoCAD software is used. The next industry is using AutoCAD, like which industries are using AutoCAD. So let us start with AutoCAD. So for AutoCAD, it is most popular drafting software. Generally, what we can do in AutoCAD, we can prepare 2D drawings, draftings, as well as we can prepare 3D models also, right? So what is AutoCAD? AutoCAD is made by two different words, auto and CAD, where auto indicates Autodesk, which is the developer of AutoCAD software, and CAD represent its working, like it is belonging from the CAD technology, CAD, computer aided design. And with the help of AutoCAD, you can create precise 2D drawings and 3D models. And it is widely used in engineering, architecture, constructions, mechanical and electrical designs. So all of you are from the technical background or someone is from non-technical background also?
Technical.
Okay.
Ji sir, technical background.
Okay. So that's why we will discuss the applications because the AutoCAD is used in both the segment, whether you are from the technical background and whether you are from the non-technical background. With the help of AutoCAD, you can make your career in good direction. So AutoCAD improves drafting accuracy, speed up our design work. Okay, without AutoCAD also we can prepare the sheets, right, drawing sheets, but it take time and with less accuracy you can make. But with the help of AutoCAD, you can improve the drafting accuracy. You can draft more accurately, more precisely, right? I talking about the AutoCAD key features. So it is user-friendly software. What is user-friendly software? Like the softwares which just give like what we have to do in the next step. Software will instruct you. High precise drafting we can do. 2D as well as 3D design we can prepare. We have some productivity tools also like layer management, layers we have, like blocks we have, like already if you have any objects, so you don't need to make it again and again. You can create a block and you can use it in future as well. Okay. Some inbuilt libraries also we have for the block insertions. Annotation. What is annotation? Like you just create a diagram, but independently the diagram is nothing. You should annotate the diagram, then can only someone can understand like what it is. Like you should give the measurements, you should enter the required text, multi-leaders, leader nodes, and required tables. Okay. This is a brief introduction about AutoCAD software. Now let me discuss what we cover in the mechanical segment. If mechanical AutoCAD. So in mechanical AutoCAD, we just cover machine drawing. So you all know about the machine drawings, the drawings which is required for the machining purpose. Okay, in industries, the drawings are required like part drawing, machine drawing, production drawings, right? So machine drawings just clarify the measurements and shape of the object, like shape and size, both are just instructed, just shown in this type of drawings. The next type of drawing is isometric drawings. Isometric drawing is a technique to create to prepare a 3D visualization in 2D plane. Like if you see this image, you just feel it is 3D. And it is not 3D, it's an isometric drawing. Okay. So because in 3D you can't give the measurements, but with the help of isometric, you can give the 3D visualization as well as you can give the measurements also. Next is the projection drawing. What is the projection drawing? In industry, projection drawing is very important. Right? You have a part, and that part, multiple views you have to create, like front view, top view, side view. Now, where to place which type of view? Let's suppose you just created a view. So view we all can create, but where to put the front view, where to put the side view, where to put the top view? This is the important thing. And as per the country standards or country rules, we have to place it. And I think you have already heard about the first angle projection system and third angle projection system. So according to the projection systems, like in your country, which projection system you follow. So according to that, you have to place the views. Okay. So in first angle projection system, if you see this drawing is in first angle projection system, right? We have front view in the top, and bottom side we have top view, and the right hand side we have left hand side. Okay. Along with this, you can prepare a 3D model also. In AutoCAD, we can prepare basic 3D models. Along with 3D models, we can prepare the assembly drawings. Okay. How to prepare assembly drawings? Like, let's suppose we are just going to make a front view assembly. So the number of parts we have, for all the parts, we have to create the front views, right? Then we just compile all the front views to make an assembled drawing. Okay. Along with this, we can make a detailed drawing. Like if you see here, we have assembly drawing, right, of train hook. In this assembly drawing, can you tell me what will be the radius for this curvature? No, it is only a representation along with the balloons and a part list. Like in this, how many parts we have, and the parts, like if I am talking about part number 5, So how many quantities we are using for this part number 5 and what this part number 5 is. These all things we can give in assembly drawing, but each and every part you have to give in detailing. That is called the detailed drawing. Right? So till now, if anyone have any query, any doubt related to AutoCAD and what we cover in this AutoCAD software for mechanical engineers, so you can ask. If it is clear, so shall we move forward? Okay. So we have some mechanical components like gear arm, spanner, fork. Right. Let's suppose I want to make this gear arm in AutoCAD. Okay. You just already check the machine drawing, right? This is just a machine drawing type of. So if you want to make this part in AutoCAD, so you should have some knowledge of AutoCAD tools, right? What I'm doing, I'm just taking screenshot of this gear arm. Okay. Then I just paste it in AutoCAD, right? I'm talking about the tools required. So many of the tools are required, like circle is required, right? Offset is required here. Trim tool is required, right? Copy tool is required. For dimensioning purpose, we need multiple dimension tools like linear, radius, right? Angular, these types of. Then we need object snap tracking. That is a drafting setting, kind of drafting setting, right? And many other tools we need. So that tools we will discuss parallelly. So first of all, we need a circle. And before going ahead, first of all, whenever you just draw any part, okay, so we should start from a specific object that all the measurements are given. That is already specified, right? Let's suppose if I am starting with this arc. Okay, so can we make this arc? No, because this arc is depending on this circle and this slot. So we can't start from this arc. But if we want to start from this circle, can we start? Yes, because it is independent entity. We don't need any other things to make this object. So what we will do, let us start with this circle. So we have two circles only. One circle having a diameter of 44. The another one is diameter of 28.57. So in AutoCAD, actually you can use the graphical user interface if you are beginner. But if once you just work in AutoCAD, so you can shift your skills to the with the shortcuts. Okay, if you are using shortcut, your time will save. See, if I want to draw a circle, so for circle, what is given? We have a center location along with the diameter. So which option we should choose? Center diameter. Right? So I'm just selecting the center diameter. I just click the center location. Now it is asking for the diameter. So diameter I need 44. Enter. That's it. For the another circle, let I show you how you can use the short key. So I just press C enter. C enter is the short key for circle. Now it is asking in command line. I already told you like this is the user-friendly software. So it is giving you the instruction like what you have to do. So you have to give specify the center point for circle. So what you have to give? You have to give the center location. Let I give this center point of the previous circle as a center point for the new circle. Now for this circle, diameter is given, but in command line you can see it is asking for the radius only. But in brackets, there is alternative method like you can give the diameter also, but for diameter you should execute this diameter option. So how you can execute? You have to press D enter. I just press D enter, and then I have to give the diameter, that is 28.57. You can see how easily we can make these two circles. Now after these two circles, let me draw this portion, these slots. Okay, so how we can make these slots? First of all, from this circle, we have it is given a particular distance, that is, okay, it is given 148 from this side. We have to calculate, like one, if we just remove 148, like 60, if we remove from 148, so how much is there remaining, or what will be the balance? Okay, if you don't want to do the calculation manually, so we have calculator also in this software. So you can type like 148 minus 60 and enter. So it will be 88. So what you have to do, you have to draw a circle. So I just press C enter, and what I'm doing, I'm just tracking. This is object snap tracking. Like you are not drawing a line, you are just taking the reference of the previous center location, and you are just tracking 88 distance from the center location. So like this you can track. This green line should visible, then can on at that time only you should give the value. I'm giving 88. So what it will do, it will just pick a point 88 distance, right? Now the radius is given 22, right? Again, we need another one, and the center between distance, if you see, it is given 25. So what we will do, we can check, we just copy and paste it at 25 distance. Let I check the measurement whether it is correct or not. So you can take the distance from this point to this point. If you check, it is 88 exactly. And if you check from again distance, you can take from this center point to this center point. To check is 25 exactly. Now I just draw a line that meeting the quadrant of both the circles. Then I just trim the image. The trim tool you can use to remove the unnecessary object. Let's suppose if I'm just deleting, when I select and delete, you will see the whole object will be deleted. But if I don't want to delete the whole object, I want to remove the unnecessary portion only. So what I have to do, I have to use trim, PR enter, then select the entities or the portion we want to trim. Now I just select this and I just join it. Select, press J enter to join. Now these all entities are combined. Now for the inner side, for the outer side, the radius is 22. For the inner side, radius is 11. Should we create it again with the same process? No. If you already have one, so what we have to do, we have to create an offset geometry. So what we can do, here we have an offset tool, right? Click the offset. Then you have to type the offset distance 11 and enter. Now you have to select the object, then which side you want to offset, outside or inside. So that side I need, so click. Done. Now I need one more slot this side. So what I will do, I just draw a circle 60 from this distance. I just type 60 distance. And again the radius I need, let's suppose this time I'm just creating the inner. And I want these two circles. One we have already done. The another one we need. And both of these circles we have on 60 radius circle. And the center point will be here only. So what we will do, we just draw a circle. Center point I'm just giving here. Just click here. So it will be okay. So now one circle only we have. The another circle I want to draw here. That is 40-degree angle from this location, right? So how we can make it? So we have to rotate it. Just like click to rotate. Select this object, enter. Then the rotation point. Now you can rotate this object about the center point. How much distance I need to give? Sorry, how much rotation angle I have to give? 40. But if you just give the 40-degree angle, what you will see, your main object, your base object is displacing from its original location. Right. So what we have to do? We have to create copy first. So press C, enter. Now what you will see, your main object is as it is. The copy image is shifting to the facing to the another location. Or your copy image is rotating. Now you have to give the rotation angle 40, and now I can trim this unnecessary portion. Now what to do? Just offset. I need to offset it 11 mm. This side 11 mm. This side. Now trim to remove unnecessary portion. Now I just join it and offset it 11 because the outer radius again 22. We need two more circles this side. So what to do? I just first draw a line from here 48 distance upper side, and this side we have 19 distance, right? Then a circle. For circle diameter, for inner circle diameter is given 90. For outer circle diameter is given 40. So D enter, then 40. That's it. Okay. Then one more circle we need. If you check here, one more circle we need. That radius is 35. So C enter. Radius we give 35. Now let me do the required one. So from here, from this base or this midpoint, we are just making a tangent line. Okay. Here we need a circle which radius is given. So here what condition is given? Like we need a circular arc which should be tangent with this circle, and radius is given. So what we have to do, if we check in circle, we have on this option in which you can specify two tangent along with the radius value. I just click to this and I select this as the first tangent, this as the second tangent, then I give a radius. And what we need only this portion. So this portion we can remove. For this circle, this portion we can remove. Similarly, here also we need 10 radius will be 16. Then we can trim this portion. Here again 10 radius. This is the first tangent, this is the second tangent, and radius will be 44. And I trim. Now object is done. If you want to type what it is, you can type the text, single line text. You can give the height. Then what it is, you can type. Here are. If you want to give the measurements, so here we have measurements option, like linear dimensions. So from this point to this point, I have to give this 48, right? For from this point to this point, this 25, right? If you want to give a diameter, so you can give the diameter. For this diameter is 44. For this diameter is 28.5. Here you can check the like when we just give the lateral dimensions, it's with an extension line, right? With a landing distance, or you can see the extension line. The same if you need, so you have to click D-enter. D-enter is the shortcut for dimension style manager, or you can go from here as well. You just need to click here and then manage dimension style, or the same we have in annotation panel also. This is the annotation panel. When you click to this arrow, this will be the will open dimension style manager. So what we have to do, we just need to modify, and we are just going to modify it. And what I will do, I just make it ISO standard. If the text is not visible, so you can change the text font height also. Let I give 3.5, and arrow also I need to change 3, right? And arrowhead also I need 30 degree open, so I can give, then okay, then close. And then save this as per UI bar. For this one, DRA, like I just show you, these are the icons that you can use, and you can use short key also. DRA enter, select this, is 22. DRA enter, inner one, is no. DRA enter, for this one, it will be 60 only. DDI is the short key for diameter. For this, 40 diameter we have, for this 90 diameter we have. For this one, or let I change the line weight, because if you just give same line weight, so focus is not like your focus is discreting or disturbing. So what we will do for the dimensions, I'm just giving a bit lower line weight, so it is clearly differentiate. Like this is our object boundaries, and these are the dimension lines. Okay. Further also, I'm just changing the line weight to normal, and I'm just giving the radius value to this, radius value to this also. DR enter. Select your object. Then where you want to place the measurement, you can. I want to give radius value to this one also, so I can give radius 16. Here also the radius I give 16. Okay. Then the other dimensions, like it is given like from this point to this point, it is given like 48. From this point to this point, it is given like 19. And in the same way, you can give the other measurements also. And at the end, if you want to take the printout, you can press Ctrl P, select your printer, then you can specify the portion that you want to print, then print. And if you're satisfied with the preview, then you can click to OK. And where you want to paste the, let's put this, I'm just typing here. So now you can see high quality PDF it will provide. But if you check, the line weight is same, because the line weight I do not change. Right. So is it clear how to make mechanical drawings or this type of drawing? If anyone have any doubt, any query, please.
PDF बनाना सिखाइए सर, दोबारा PDF में कैसे
Okay. You have to press Ctrl P. Okay. Then you have to select your printer if you have, otherwise DWG to PDF. Okay, paper size you have to give Then window option we will select, and then we will give like which portion we want to print. Like this portion we want to print. Then we need to center the plot. Okay. And then we click OK, and then it will ask like where you want to save your PDF. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Any other query or doubt? Okay. So thanks for the response. Now let me move to the next because the time is limited. So let me move to the next thing, that is for the civil and architecture. How you can use the AutoCAD. For civil and architecture drawings, whether you are a non-technical, if suppose you just want to learn how to make plans, elevations, and all these, so you can make it AutoCAD. Okay. So here, the first thing is plans. With the help of AutoCAD, you can make a plan. Everyone, you aware about plan? What is plan? Plan is a top view, right? So plan we use to make to specify the component placement in our building, right? Where will be the bedroom? Where will be the drawing room? Where will be the living room? Where will be the staircase, washroom, and other house components or building components, right? But with the help of this plan, if I just share this plan with you, uh, can you get the knowledge like what will be the height for the door? What will be the height for the roof? What will be the
According to
ceiling height?
drawing.
Yes, with this
Yes.
drawing, you get the knowledge,
Yeah.
but plan is not sufficient to give these types of,
No.
right? So what you have to do,
Right.
you have to give the elevation. What is the purpose of elevation? Because the building component placement, we can give it.
Front elevation, front view.
Yes. So building component placement you can give in the plan, but elevation is required if you just want to give the height reference, right? Like what will be the ground level, what will be the breaching floor level, what will be the sill height.
Superstructure and substructure.
Yes. So these all things you can give in elevation.
Superstructure and substructure. Superstructure में like beam, foundations, lintel, slab, staircase
Yes.
सब आ जाता है.
All the detailings
Okay.
you can. Okay.
Okay.
The next section elevation. Sometimes what we have, like if you see your kitchen from the outside, what you will see only the walls, door, and windows. But what is inside? If you want to give any inside detailing, that is the section elevation. Okay, you can give section elevation of a bedroom, a kitchen, or a washroom, or anything else, right?
As
It is
well as
just, and then elevation. You can make the staircase drawings, right? Wall with the riser. So in elevation, you can show the riser height, right? Straight you can show in plan, right? Where you want to place the balusters, pillars, okay? All these things you can give in the detail in staircase drawing. Then for civil engineers, generally isometric drawing is not frequently used. But if we're talking about the architects, interior designers, isometric drawings are also needed. Okay, so you will learn in this course like how to make isometric drawings also. Okay, then 3D models also you can prepare in AutoCAD itself, but not the in more details, but basic 3D models we can prepare because most of the companies are not using AutoCAD as a 3D modeling tool. So if you are putting effort for 3D modeling, so those will be waste, right? So basic 3D modeling you can do, detailed drawings you can prepare, as well as, let's suppose you just approaching a furniture industry where assembly is not so much needed. So in that case, what you can do, you can make 3D model in AutoCAD software itself, and then you can do rendering in AutoCAD. Okay. So this is all about like which things will cover in this course, and let me take a short example. Like you want to make this is plot site of 30 cross 40, right? It is east facing plot. What will be the first requirement? Can you tell me? Can anyone tell me what will be the first requirement? The first requirement will be the component placement, like where should be the bedroom, where should be the washroom, right? Where should be the staircase and all. Okay, so here let me try to make this plan in AutoCAD. Let I just close it. For mechanical, generally we use ACAD ISO template, but for civil, we select ACAD.DWT template. Okay, and after it, what will be the next thing? You have to set the unit. Okay, I just press U and enter. Then you have to set the unit. So for civil and architectural drawings, we just prefer this architectural unit in which you can give the values in feet and inches. This is I just set and okay. Now, what we have to do, first of all, I have to draw a line. So ortho mode I just turn on to make straight lines, and I need it is 30 feet. So for feet, I just mark this symbol, then enter. Then this side, click to top, set the zoom condition. On this side, I need 40 feet, so 40 and feet. This side 30 feet, and C enter to close. In this, so S enter. Then I just move this. Okay. Then for the walls, what I need to do, I need to offset it as per the wall thickness. Let's suppose I need 9-inch wall. So what I have to do, press O enter, then give the wall thickness 9-inch, then offset it. 9-inch this side, 9-inch. Then we need 10 feet kitchen, inner side to inner side. So I just give offset and 10 feet, then 9-inch wall. So I just give 9. Then we have a living room of 14 feet. So I just type 14 feet, then 6 inches. Then a 9-inch wall. Just type 9. Here I have a 6. Okay, let I make this one first. So here all the these measurements will be 10 feet. So I just give 10 feet I just click, then offset. So the will be 10. So now I just want to remove this inner portion also, or before this, I just want to remove this inner portion. This one I want to remove. This one I want to remove, and this one. Right here, this one I want to remove, and this one I want to remove. Now this it's a bedroom, right? So for the bedroom, what will be the first thing? Let we first view the door. Okay, so let's suppose 3 feet door I need. So I just offset it 3 feet. Then I just trim it. Okay, and one more thing we need. We just need to trim this portion. Now next thing, in AutoCAD, already we have some inbuilt blocks in the design center. So what we have to do, we just press DC enter. Okay, then we just, this is the design center. So we just move in home space planner. We have a bed here. So we just double click on this. If you want to rotate or anything, so and or what you can do, let I first paste it in. Then add it. Yes, and I just keep it in this. Because if directly you are inserting from the design center, so it will not give you the option to rotate. What we need to rotate it. Okay, so I just press R enter, then 180 degree I need to rotate, and where you want to paste it, just click. Then I want to type, like this is the bedroom, so I just give. Right, if you want to give the measurement, so DLI enter, and from this point to this point, this is given from this point to this point. But if you check, it is not visible. Dimension is not visible. So what to do? Press D enter, modify. Then here, let I give 4-inch text height. Here also I'm giving 4-inch. And let I give OK. And you can see it is visible, but it is visible in inches. If you want it the same in feet inches, so what you have to do, just click to modify, then primary units, and you should select architectural here as well. You can see it is 12.6 inches. And what we need 13 inches, right? So what to do? We need to shift 6 inches more. So that also we can do. Modification is very easy. Just select, press M enter, select the base point, then 6 inches I want to move. Now this 13 by 10, and you can make the change. Right, and similarly you can make the complete plan. Okay. I'm just going to discuss the applications and the industries those are using AutoCAD. So if we are talking about the applications of AutoCAD, so AutoCAD is used by architects. In architectural field, it is used for the floor plans, elevations, sections. In civil engineering, it is used for the site layouts, drainage plans, right, beam column plans. In mechanical engineering, it is used for the machine parts, drawing, drafting, assembly drawings. In electrical also it is used for the schematic drawings, panel layouts, wiring drawings, or some other types of basic drawings. In solar also it is used solar for solar panel drawings. In interior design it is used for the furniture layout, lighting plan. Okay. In construction field also it is required for the working drawings and documentation. In manufacturing, same as mechanical engineering, like product design and detailing. In urban planning also it is used for the layouts and infrastructure drawings. Okay. If we're talking about the industries, so it is used in the architecture and building industries, civil and infrastructure engineering industries, mechanical engineering industries, electrical and electronics engineering industries, construction industries, manufacturing and production industries, automotive industries, power and energy sector, aerospace industries, interior and furniture design industries, urban planning and smart cities industries, right? The next one is oil and gas industries. Okay, so these are the technical industries those use uh, AutoCAD as a drafting or drawing tool. Okay, if anything other you want to know, so you can ask.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Dilip Sani and Mr. Imran Khan,
Yeah,
for
welcome,
such an
ma'am.
informative and engaging session. We will now move on to the question and answer session. Participants are encouraged to ask their question and interact with the speaker. All participants are permissible to ask their questions to our speaker. Please.
Thank you very much. I think everybody got some idea about this AutoCAD in civil and mechanical. I just need to know how many participants are there, like 20, more than 20 are there. Do you have any questions? You can ask me, and Sir is also here. So you are free to ask. Please ask the questions if you have.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Hello, hello.
please.
Yes, sir. Sir, can we use AutoCAD singly and full-fledgedly when it is sufficiently for mechanical engineering in future that only by AutoCAD and that we uh, using is used for future?
Uh, okay, so what's your good name? Could you please tell me your name? Can you please?
So my name is Sandeep Singh.
Sandeep Singh, basically this AutoCAD is meant for 2D. It is having a basic knowledge of basic of 3D modeling in the mechanical part. But when we go for more detailing and more 3D modeling, it is constrained that it can only work in the 2D part. If you are going in more detailing, you have to opt for the softwares like SolidWorks, CATIA, Creo, Annex. These are the different mechanical engineering softwares. Also, they have different domains, like when you are going with the 3D modeling software in the mechanical, like AutoCAD, and this second is the SolidWorks. In the SolidWorks, basically what you have is sketching, featuring, and sheet metal, surfacing. These are different software which you're gonna use in the SolidWorks. So just like that, it is have some limitations. Like even if you are going with the SolidWorks, it is also having some limitations. After that, you have to go for more advanced version. You can go for the Creo, and after that, you can go for the Annex CAD. And CATIA is for the surfacing. So there are different softwares, but AutoCAD is basically used in the industry where we need 2D drafting. I hope you answer your question. If you have anything, you can ask.
Sir, one more doubt.
Yes, please.
Sir, if we buy this course or studying online code, will it sufficient, or will it more practical in offline or online?
Okay, so the question is like, if you are doing online or offline mode, which mode is better for you to, get understand? So these days, if you are working, okay, if you don't have the time, then the option is you can directly connect with the trainer. The trainer needs to give you the full attention. To understand anything, what you need listening and you need proper attention. If you are doing something, the course which is recorded, maybe you can get the knowledge, but that is the one way communication. To get the full knowledge, you have to strong your basics first. What is drawing, how we see the drawings, like what are the views we have. So these basics can be cleared with a proper trainer. If you have somebody who can tell you every time when you need something and you can ask the question, then you can go for the online. If you have the option, if you are not working, you are a student, or you have the time, you can go for the offline as well. So it depends upon your your basically capability, and also which what offer you the more convenience. Like if you are not working, then you have to give the more time physically going to the institute. That is much better option. If you don't have, even those who work in the industry, they also skill themselves every time they take the time. Like after working, they can get 1 hour, 2 hours, and then they skill themselves to survive in the industry and to get good opportunities again, and to grow themselves. I hope I answered the question, Sandeep.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, to anybody is also having some question, they can ask the question, please. Dilip ji is also here. If you have some particular question, you guys can ask.
सर ऑटोकैड में 3D मॉडलिंग जो करते हैं सर, सॉलिड वर्क्स की तरह ही होता है या थोड़ा कुछ डिफरेंट होता है ऑटोकैड में?
Okay, Chaitanya, I think this is your question.
यस सर, यस सर।
चैतन्य, अगर आप 3D मॉडलिंग कर रहे हो ऑटोकैड के अंदर, तो बेसिक्स है बेसिकली। आप उसमें सिर्फ बेसिक्स सीखोगे, बहुत ज्यादा आप उसके अंदर एडवांस नहीं जा सकते हो, ठीक है, दैट इज लिमिटेड। अगर आप प्रॉपरली 3D मॉडलिंग करते हो, आप मैकेनिकल से हो, आई होप, तो मैकेनिकल में जो है ना, आपको एक सॉफ्टवेयर चूज करना पड़ेगा। जस्ट लाइक सॉलिड वर्क्स है, क्रियो है, केटिया है, वही उसका प्रॉपर 3D मॉडलिंग करके आपको डिटेलिंग दिखाएगा। अदरवाइज बेसिक्स और छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, उन्हें आप दिखा सकते हो, उसके अंदर कर सकते हो। तो लेकिन वो प्रॉपर हर चीज का एक वाइडली यूज होता है किसी भी सॉफ्टवेयर का, तो इस सॉफ्टवेयर का यूटिलाइजेशन ऑटो कैड का ड्राफ्टिंग के लिए बेटर है। इससे ज्यादा कोई बेटर सॉफ्टवेयर है नहीं। लेकिन अगर 3D मॉडलिंग के लिए कहेंगे, तो वो फिर आपको एक पर्टिकुलर सॉफ्टवेयर ऑप्ट करना ही पड़ेगा फॉर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग और फॉर बेटर विजुअलिटी। उसको आप कैसे देखोगे, कैसे चीजों को विजुअलाइज करोगे, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट।
ओके सर।
Okay, anybody else is having any questions?
Any more doubt in questions, please ask. Okay. I think we should conclude the session now. Okay, so okay. So, as we came to the conclusion of today's session, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Mr. Imran Khan and Mr. Dilip Sani for sharing his valuable time and expertise with us. I also thank to all the participants for their active presence and enthusiasm, and everyone who contributed to the successful conduct of this workshop. On the behalf of the Aligarh Renaissance, I thank you all and look forward for your continued participation in the upcoming sessions. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.
Thank you everyone for joining us. Really Ruqayya Imran, Aligarh Renansa, Dilip Saini ji, every participant who participated here, and hope we will join tomorrow. Thank you very much.
Thank you and have a
Yeah.
great evening.